What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to integrate Trello with Notion. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar type in Trello or you can type trello.com. After typing, you will see this first official website of Trello. Click on this website. After clicking, you will be welcomed to the homepage of Trello. But if you are new to Trello, you have to sign in or log in with your email and password, and then you will be able to access Trello. So now head over to the recent board or the board you want to integrate Notion. You can go to any board, and then on the right side at the top, you can see the option of power ups. Click on this and after clicking on power ups, you have the button to add power ups. Click on that. After that, a window will open by a name of power ups. And then on the left side, you have the search bar. Click on that search bar and type Trello plus Notion two-way sync. As you can see, Notion plus Trello two-way sync. We have to add this extension to this board. I will just simply click on add and then it will add my Notion to my Trello and then it will be a two-way sync between my Notion and Trello. So due to some network issues, it is showing me some problems, but you will be successfully able to integrate Trello with Notion by using this power up. So that was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.